Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products to bring you the best insights and reviews. Today, we're exploring the Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Hair Remedy, a hair care solution designed to combat the effects of hard water. This product is formulated with a unique vitamin C complex, targeting hard water deposits and impurities to restore your hair's natural shine and vibrancy. The Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Hair Remedy stands out with its vegan formulation, making it suitable for those looking for cruelty-free options. This remedy is particularly beneficial for dry hair types, promising to not only remove hard water deposits but also retain moisture, restore shine, add softness, and enhance manageability. The product aims to address the common issues faced by many, dry, dull hair that often results from hard water exposure. In my experience using this product, I found it incredibly easy to incorporate into my hair care routine. Simply apply it after shampooing, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse it out. The process was straightforward, and I appreciated how it fit seamlessly into my usual regimen. When it comes to performance, the Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Hair Remedy truly shines. After just a few uses, I noticed a significant difference in my hair's texture and appearance. The hard water buildup was visibly reduced, leaving my hair feeling softer and looking more vibrant. I also tested it during a week of swimming in hard water conditions, and I was impressed by how well it removed the mineral deposits, making my hair feel rejuvenated afterward. Now let's discuss the pros and cons. On the plus side, this product effectively removes hard water deposits, is easy to use, and contains beneficial ingredients that enhance hair health. However, one downside is that it may not provide enough moisture for extremely dry hair on its own, so I recommend pairing it with a good conditioner for best results. In comparison to similar products on the market, Malibu Sea offers a unique formulation that sets it apart. While there are other hard water remedies, many contain harsh chemicals that can further dry out the hair. Malibu Sea's gentle, vegan ingredients provide a more nourishing approach. Plus, at its price point, it offers good value for the quality and results. Regarding build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, with a well-designed cap that prevents spills, which I always appreciate in hair care products. The overall construction feels solid, indicating durability. User-friendliness is another strong point for this remedy. The instructions are clear, making it easy for anyone to understand how to use it effectively. Additionally, I had a positive experience with the customer support team, who were quick to respond and provided helpful information regarding my inquiries. In real-world testing, I used this product after several outdoor activities and swimming sessions. It performed exceptionally well, leaving my hair clean and free from any unwanted buildup. The vitamin C complex did seem to enhance the shine, making my hair look healthier and more vibrant than before. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated on more beauty insights that can help you shine even brighter. In terms of longevity, I have used this product multiple times over several weeks, and it shows no signs of losing effectiveness. Each application continues to deliver great results, making it a reliable addition to my hair care lineup. While the Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Hair Remedy is a solid choice, there are cheaper alternatives available if you're looking to save some money. Products like the Ion Hard Water Shampoo can provide similar results without breaking the bank. In conclusion, I highly recommend the Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Hair Remedy for anyone struggling with hard water issues. It's especially beneficial for those with dry hair looking to restore shine and manageability. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. Feel free to drop any questions or share your experiences with this product in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.